China, a land where ancient traditions seamlessly intertwine with cutting-edge modernity. Beyond its rich history lies a tapestry of cities that epitomize innovation and cultural renaissance. Join us on a journey through 5 of China's most dynamic urban centers, each a testament to the nation's rapid evolution and timeless charm. From the tranquil canals of Suzhou to the tech hubs of Hefei, the towering skyline of Guangzhou, the cultural heartbeat of Chengdu, and the historical depths of Nanjing, let's embark on an exploration of China's modern marvels. Number 1. Suzhou, the harmony of heritage and high-tech. Nestled in Jiangsu province, Suzhou is renowned for its classical gardens and silk heritage. Yet, beyond its ancient allure, Suzhou has embraced the future with the Suzhou Industrial Park, a landmark collaboration between China and Singapore. Spanning 288 square kilometers, SIP is a hub for high-tech industries, housing over 500 R&D institutions and numerous Fortune 500 companies. Here, innovation thrives amidst picturesque landscapes, offering travelers a glimpse into a city where the past and present coalesce harmoniously. Number 2. Hefei, the ascendant science and innovation nexus. Once a modest town, Hefei, the capital of Anhui province, has transformed into a beacon of scientific research and technological advancement. Home to the prestigious University of Science and Technology of China, Hefei stands at the forefront of quantum computing and artificial intelligence. The city's commitment to innovation is evident in its numerous high-tech zones and research centers, making it a compelling destination for those intrigued by the fusion of academia and urban development. Number 3. Guangzhou, the cosmopolitan metropolis of the south. In the heart of southern China lies Guangzhou, a city that epitomizes cosmopolitan flair and economic prowess. Dominating its skyline is the Canton Tower, a 600-meter-tall architectural marvel that offers panoramic views and stands as a symbol of the city's modernity. Guangzhou's vibrant Tianhe district is a shopper's paradise, while the historic Shamian Island offers a tranquil escape with its colonial-era architecture. The city's culinary scene, famed for Cantonese cuisine, invites travelers to indulge in a gastronomic adventure. Number 4. Chengdu, the innovative heart of Sichuan. Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province, is a city where ancient culture meets modern innovation. While renowned for its adorable giant pandas and spicy cuisine, Chengdu is also emerging as a tech powerhouse. The Chengdu High-Tech Industrial Development Zone focuses on electronic information, biomedicine, and the digital economy, attracting startups and established tech giants alike. Amidst this rapid development, the city's tea houses and vibrant street life offer a glimpse into its rich cultural tapestry. Number 5. Nanjing, the convergence of history and high-tech. As one of China's ancient capitals, Nanjing boasts a profound historical legacy. Today, it seamlessly integrates this heritage with modern advancements, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence. The city has accelerated the construction of AI industry clusters, fostering innovation and attracting tech talent. Landmarks like the Nanjing Yangtze River Bridge stand as testaments to the city's enduring spirit, while contemporary developments signal its forward-looking ambitions. These 5 cities exemplify China's remarkable journey from ancient civilization to modern innovation. Each offers a unique narrative, inviting travelers to witness the harmonious blend of history and progress. Whether you're drawn to serene gardens, cutting-edge technology, or rich cultural experiences, China's urban landscapes promise adventures that resonate with the past and future alike. Which of these cities intrigues you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations into the world's most captivating destinations.